Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and marveled at the spectacle of the Aurora Borealis, the northern lights? These ethereal ribbons of color dancing across the heavens are more than just a beautiful display. They are a potent reminder of the power of our sun and of a little-known event in history that could have profound implications for our modern world. Imagine, if you will, a day in late summer in the year 1859. The world was a very different place then, the Industrial Revolution in full swing, and the telegraph, the precursor to our modern internet, was the latest technological marvel. On the 1st of September that year, two British astronomers, Richard Christopher Carrington and Richard Hodgson, were independently observing the sun when they noticed a bright solar flare. Little did they know, they were witnessing the first recorded instance of what we now know as a coronal mass ejection, or CME. This colossal release of plasma from the sun's surface was hurtling towards Earth at an incredible speed. When it collided with our planet's magnetosphere, it sparked the most intense geomagnetic storm in recorded history, now known as the Carrington Event. The effects were dramatic. The Aurora Borealis and its southern counterpart, the Aurora Australis, were visible as far south as the Caribbean, while in the northern latitudes the lights were so bright that people could read by them at night. But there were also more ominous signs. Telegraph systems across Europe and North America went haywire, sparking and causing fires in multiple stations. This was a world that had just begun to harness the power of electricity, with barely a hint of the interconnected, technology-dependent society to come. Yet, even then, the Carrington Event caused widespread disruption. Fast forward to today, and it's not hard to imagine the potential devastation a similar event could cause. Our modern world is utterly dependent on electricity and electronic communications. A geomagnetic storm of the magnitude of the Carrington Event could cause blackouts, disrupt communications, and damage the power grid to such an extent that it could take months to repair. The science behind the Aurora Borealis, the result of charged particles from the sun interacting with our planet's magnetic field, is the same science that could potentially plunge our world into darkness. It's a stark reminder of our vulnerability and of the power of the universe in which we live. So tonight, as you gaze up at the spectacle of the northern lights, remember the Carrington Event. Marvel at the beauty, but also respect the power. It's a reminder of our place in the universe and of the delicate balance that keeps our world turning.